How to make cornhusk flowers. Whether you grow corn yourself and want to recycle the husks or simply need an original fall decoration for your home, cornhusk flowers may be the way to go. These large, elegant blooms can complement a gourd display beautifully. They resemble a mix between sunflowers and daisies. You can even mix and match husk colors to create the illusion of multicolored petals. Things you'll need: dried corn husks, scissors, 18-gauge wire, wire nips, 32-gauge wire, green floral tape. Snip your corn husks into oval shapes with points at either end. For each flower you plan to make, cut 4 petals 1 inch long by inch wide. Cut 12 additional petals for each flower, lengthening and widening them by inch for each set of 4. Separate them into groups by size. Nip an 8-inch piece of 18-gauge wire for each flower. Roll a 4-inch by 2-inch strip of corn husk into a tight cylinder around the end of each of these pieces of 18-gauge wire. Secure the cylinder with tightly wrapped 4-inch pieces of 32-gauge wire. Press down on the top of each cylinder with your thumb to fringe them. Arrange the 4 smallest petals around the fringe center for your first flower. Wrap a 4-inch piece of wire around the base of the petals to secure them. Add each layer of petals, staggering them so that your flowers look full. Repeat for each flower. Wrap green floral tape around the bases of the corn husk petals under the flower. Cover the entire wire stem with floral tape. Arrange as desired.